I'm actually going to call another buddy of mine up named Michael Parker, to unmute and share with us right now. Because sometimes I realize that there are people that are maybe a little more, not as open-minded, even skeptical. I'm not a fan of the word skeptical, but sometimes that happens. And I want to bring on a former law enforcement officer because here's a guy that, Michael, are you there?
Yeah, Danny, I'm here.
Okay. So before Michael starts talking, I'm going to introduce him. Michael, I've known Michael since we were in college. He was in my wedding. Michael was a Texas state trooper who wound up getting promoted to Texas Ranger, the highest level of law enforcement in the state of Texas, private investigator. He's seen it all. He knows a liar. I mean, that's what they get paid to do, sniff out lies and crime. And Michael's in this company. I wanted him to tell you his story about the patch and what it's done for him and his wife, Lori. Michael?
Awesome, Danny. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, so Lori and I, we've been in almost a year. The 23rd will be a year that we've been involved. We were first introduced by a friend of Lori's out of Abilene. She had reached out to her. It was actually in regards to her dad. He had had cancer and had gone through some chemo and was having some issues bouncing back. And when Lori first told me about it, like Danny was talking about, I was skeptical, especially when I looked at what the patch was, how big it was, and kind of how it looked. I was like, I don't see how that's going to do what they say it can do. It just doesn't make sense to me whatsoever. And I've investigated all kinds of scams and fraud and whatnot. But the one thing about me is I am open minded. I will take a look at something to see if there's some merit to it. So I told Lori, I'm like, hey, let's get your dad on it. Let's both get on it, and let's just get our family on it, and let's see what happens. Because I was needing some conviction. I was needing some stories from some people to see if all these stories would match up or not, and it did. For me, one thing I noticed, it took about 4 weeks before I could see anything. Okay, so we talk about one patch wonders. Lori was one of those. I was not. It took 4 weeks before I could see a difference. I was starting to think, man, this stuff's not working, but it's working for you and your dad. So when I started it, 4 weeks, I had some issues with my left shoulder. I was thinking if I was going to have to get an MRI. I had lower back issues as well. And I noticed at 4 weeks, the discomfort in my left shoulder, just out of the blue one day, I noticed that it was gone. And at about the 8 week mark, my lower back discomfort started to diminish, where at about probably about the 16th week mark, that I wasn't noticing that it was bad like it was before, to where I could sleep and I wasn't getting up all the time. The one thing that I did notice that kind of took me by surprise is my hair on my head started growing back. And that's what was crazy, because Laura's like, hey, did you notice the hair on the top of your head was growing back? And I said, well, I thought I had some growing in the front. But she took some pictures and started a collage showing the progression. And yeah, it's the real deal. I mean, my hair was growing back. I didn't expect that. She also says that I don't snore anymore, so that's a big plus. So she can get some sleep. But the stories, I think that of other people that are getting on the patch and what it's doing for them, that's what really locks it down for us, to where we want to share with other people. Is It's definitely life changing, and I've never seen anything that it's definitely a legit company with a legit product. And I mean, we're in for the long haul. There's no doubt about it. We're going to be on this from here on out. We love the results we're getting, our friends and our family are getting, and you just can't help but share this with people, because people are desperate. They're looking for something, and we've got that solution for them. We just have to open our mouths.
Yeah. Well, I know that's great, Michael. Thanks for sharing that. And you do have more hair. I can vouch for that, man. I can tell you got more hair. And you and Lori have also earned a couple of trips. You earned a trip called a leadership trip back in May. You earned a Punta Cana trip just now. So anything you want to share business wise, financially, what it's done for you?
Sure. Yes. So going back to that trip, Danny, we were, as you guys, we were in a company before, in a nutritional business. We didn't earn no trip. We've never earned any trips in that other company, and we worked it. We worked it part time, and even this company here, Laura and I both worked full time jobs, very full time jobs. I'm in the security industry with oil and gas. It's nonstop there. My wife, she's full-time chiropractor's assistant. And so we do this when we can. And we earned that trip to Punta Cana, and we didn't think we were going to get it. We just went to work and it happened. We were blown away that we earned that. But the last 4 weeks, I calculated just a while ago, Danny, and of course, it can fluctuate from time to time, but we've made last 4 weeks $1,579.86. That's
Great.
on a part-time basis.
That's great, man. It's powerful. Well, Michael, thank you. Thanks for your testimony tonight. Thanks for sharing. People need to hear that.